Our story started 16 years ago at the hands of two businessmen who came together to make a path together. Over the years, Dune Bleue raised a family. Today, we have the best professionals in design, creation, development, and promotion. We create quality, durability, resistance, absorption, and compression, and regardless of the area of activity, these are the transversal characteristics of all our products. More recently, we started to invest in sustainable and ecological principles, using raw materials from natural and recycled fibers. In the future, we intend this to be our focus, aiming to respond to the needs of an increasingly conscious and responsible consumer. We are aware of consumer trends and market demands, which is why we managed to export around 98% of our production. Located in the north of the country, where the textile industry is well positioned, we can be surrounded by the most focused and attentive partners, and it is one of the reasons that makes us meet the demanding standards of innovation and quality of the final product. We are a certified company and strictly comply with European directives. Therefore, the consumer knows that with the simple gesture of using our product, it is making the world a better place. We intend to bring comfort and meet the needs of our client, overcoming all challenges. Dune Bleue, between man and his shoes.